Hello guys, I am from Gauras Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 15 that has been taken from exercise 6.3 chapter 6 application of derivative tangent and angle. Part A I shall cover at this time. The question is find a equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 which is parallel to the line 2x minus 9 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that here you can see the equation of the tangent line to the curve. Curve it is given y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. So here I shall write given the curve. Given the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Again I shall write implied that y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Implied that differentiating y WRT x we shall get differentiating y with respect to x we shall get implied that d over dx of y equal to d over dx of x square minus 2 d over dx of x plus d over dx of 7 implied that here in center function y is available, in denominator dx is available. D will be conjugated with y, comes out to be dy over dx. So here I shall write dy over dx equal to d over dx of x square comes out to be 2x minus 2 I shall write d over dx of x comes out to be 1 plus d over dx of 7 comes out to be 0. So here I shall write dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2. This thing we have got. So here you have got dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2. Here again I shall write hence the slope of the tangent to the curve equal to dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2 and the slope of the tangent to the curve equal to dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2. This thing you have got tangent line to the curve. The slope of the tangent to the curve we have got 2x minus 2. Now here you can see the given line 2x minus y plus 9. So here I shall write the now the given line, now the given line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So this can be written as implied that 2x minus y plus 9. So here I can write y equal to, here in left hand side minus y is available. Minus y will be thrown to the right hand side. So it comes out to be y equal to 2x plus 9. 2x plus 9. Here again I shall write comparing it with y equal to mx plus c. So here we shall get implied that m equal to 2. Here y equal to 2x plus 9. This equation of line will be compared with the general equation of the line y equal to mx plus c. So here the coefficient of y is given, here coefficient of y is given, here coefficient of x is m, here coefficient of x is 2. So m is equal to 2 I shall write, here the contents is equal to 9 we shall get. The m equal to 2. So here I shall write, hence the slope of the given line equal to m equal to 2. Hence the slope of the given line equal to m equal to 2 we have got. इस लाइन का स्लोप we have got m equal to 2. So here again I shall write, since the tangent to the curve, since the tangent to the curve since the tangent to the curve, from here I shall take tangent to the curve is parallel to the given line. The given line is this one. इस लाइन के पैरेलल में tangent to the curve is there. Hence the slope of the tangent to the curve hence the slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to, slope of the tangent to the curve is equal to slope of the tangent to the curve. कर्व के tangent का slope will be equal to the slope of the given line. Given line is this one. The given line का slope बराबर हो, hence comes out to be dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2 dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2 equal to 2. So here I shall write m equal to 2. The m equal to 2 is the slope of the given line. So here we have got 2x minus 2 equal to 2, implies that 2x equal to, here minus 2 is there in left hand side, move back to right hand side, comes out to be 2 plus 2 comes out to be 4. So here we shall get x equal to 2. Here the value of x we have got 2. Now we shall get the value of y. So here again I shall write when x equal to 2, then y equal to curve, y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, implies that y equal to, here x square is there. So in place of x I shall write 2, so 2 का square comes out to be 2 का whole square minus 2, in bracket in place of x I shall write 2 plus 7, implies that y equal to 2 to the 4, 2 का whole square comes out to be 4 minus 4, 2 to the 4 plus 7, implies that y equal to 7 we have got. When x equal to 2, so y equal to 7 we have got. So here I shall write, hence the point two comma 7, hence the point 2 comma 7 through which the tangent line to the curve, the tangent line, the point 2 comma 7 through which the tangent line to the curve will pass, will pass through. The thing you have got will pass only. Hence the point 2 comma 7 through which the tangent to the curve, tangent line to the curve will pass. Hence I shall write, now the equation of the tangent line will be given by y minus y1 equal to m in bracket x minus x1. This thing you have got. And now in place of x1 I shall take 2, in place of y1 I shall take 7. So here I shall write y minus y1 equal to m in bracket x minus x1. Again I shall write y minus y1 In place of y1, I shall write 7 equal to. Now come up to m. So here you can see the slope of the tangent line to the curve. We have got dy over dx. dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2 equal to m. M equal to 2 we have got. Here you can see dy over dx equal to 2x minus 2 equal to 2. This means that the value of m you have got 2 because dy over dx is the same as m equal to 2. So here I 2. In bracket I shall write ax minus x1. x1 I shall take here, x1 is 2. So this one become here 2. Now calculate this one. So here we will get y minus 7 equal to y minus 7 equal to 2 will enter inside, circle bracket will be broken. You will get here 2x minus 4. This thing you have got. So here again I shall write y minus 7 equal to 2x minus 4. So this thing you will get. Here you will get 2x minus 4 equal to y minus 7, implied that here write 2x minus y. 2x minus y minus 4 plus 7 equal to 0. Here minus 7 will move back to left hand side. Here write plus 7, minus 4 is there, plus y is there in right hand side, move back to left hand side, comes out to be minus y. So here we have got implied that 2x minus y, here minus 4 plus 7 will be interacted, you will get here plus 3. So here I plus 3 equal to 0. So here you can see 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This will be the equation of the tangent line to the curve. So here I shall write hence the equation of the tangent line to the curve implied that 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This will be the correct answer you have got. This will be the correct answer you have got. Hence the equation of the tangent line to the curve. Here equation of the tangent line to the curve. Equation of the tangent line to the curve equal to 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This will be the correct answer you have got. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 15 that has been taken from exercise 6.3, chapter 6, application of derivative, tangent and normal. This is the part A I have covered today. Explain in detail. Okay guys, thanks.